Okay, we're going to do a quick trip up to the Rockland Tunnel and back. So it's about a 12-mile round trip. Might go in the tunnel, might not. But this is going to be a night, just a quick ride, and you won't hear much from me. Just enjoy the views. But we'll follow this up to, you have road access to his camp. The trail is still here. It's hard to see with the leaves on it, but I am still on it. And there's road access. I believe it's called Daughter's Eddy, Emlenton. This will be the one and only bridge we encounter the whole ride this evening. We're about to go through the Rockland Tunnel. It is 2,868 feet long, and right now it's probably 70 degrees on the trail, and it's guessing 50 in here. It's going to be cold and dark. So we have lights on our e-bikes, but I also bring an extra light just to brighten things up a little bit, and I will show you the difference with and without. It always drips water here at the first beginning, and it is cold. There are reflectors, but they're not that great. But of course, once you see the other end, you really don't need the light. But it helps. As you can see, it is definitely dark. There, this is just the headlight from our bicycles, so you can still see just fine. But the bigger light helps. It's a little further this way until the light at the end of the tunnel, shows you the way. Okay, we are 7 miles up and back through the tunnel, and we are heading our way back, and I'll pick you guys back up when we're pulling back into the parking area. All right, we are just about back, and I apologize for the speed, but we actually found somebody's wallet and I'm trying to catch them. So right now, according to my watch, we are 12.8 miles. So you're looking about 12.5 miles. It was a very nice evening. Good ride.